I'm Arlo Aspen. Today, I'm going to show you work at home positions, texting, chatting, and flirting. So let's begin. With Friendly, you can earn money while you're flirting on the phone. The pay rate is 35 cents for each text you respond to within 24 hours. You get paid every day via direct deposit or monthly via check. Next, you can make money with internet modeling. You have to be a little brazen to do this, but anyone can do it if they're brave enough. You basically get paid to be a webcam model. You must be at least 18 years of age for this position, have an outgoing personality, and feel comfortable showing your assets. You can even sell your old panties. Ew. If you can be, also, there's another way to make money here. You can be an agent, and you can get paid when you refer others. So for example, if a model you've referred makes $2,000 per week, you get $200 or 10% cut. Pretty good, huh? Another way to make money is by being a virtual girlfriend. Yeah, who wouldn't want to be that? At mintedmodels.com, you can send texts and messages with virtual boyfriends. The service is anonymous, and you won't meet these people in real life, not if you don't want to. You must be at least 18, have a bubbly personality, and easily adapt to all kinds of situations. The average model makes about $1,000 a week after 3 months. So good luck if you're interested. Hope you enjoyed these jobs and hope to see you real soon for another fun session. Thanks so much. All the info is below this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.